still turn and burn. And we got a good size 12-footer. This is Cherry. That big thud. Man, these little ones sometimes really get me. Boom. "23 inches in diameter on this one. Got a pretty funky swoop to it. You might be able to see it at the top. Kind of humps up a little bit. You'll be able to see it right here in this slab. See how it's thick and wide up there in the front. Down to 21 inches left to right. Got to get it down below 17. Got one or two more cuts left on that top face. Right, 16.5 inches left to right. I'm gonna cut another board coming back that scared me, and just because I'm coming back anyways, and it's still a good size can, so instead of wasting a pass, same here. I'm gonna cut one coming back, and then I'll cut another one going forward. It's got a little bit of red rock coming through there, but it'll still hold up. Another good one here, but check it out later.